Hello, hello. So, I think my translation assistant is ready to go. Why did my camera freeze? Huh. Hello? Hang on. Activate. There we go. We're on. Sorry about that. Alright, okay, so let me just give it a last test in the editor and a quick demonstration of what it can do. So we're testing it on Chinese Tower of Fantasy, but it will work on any language automatically. So let's load ChatGPT. Sure, my scripts are all closed and everything, so I don't get any access violations. Okay, we should be good.
I'm ready.
Okay. Test. Okay, so she's got two translation modes, okay? One mode is more for like subtitles and things, right? And another mode is for like UI interfaces and things like that. So for the UI interfaces, I press the share button on my controller. She'll take a screenshot, OCR the text into the text, send that off to Google Translate, get the translation back, map out all over the screen where the text is, have all the translations recorded, and she'll read out what's on the screen. And then you can hover your mouse over various parts of the text to find out what it says. So if I want to see what these things say or something specifically, I can do that. So let's test that. Okay. Yep.
Game announcement. LL Morningstar Cruise Gashapon Machine Minjing Limited Order Sea Breeze Wheel Limited Time Reenactment Overview of Recent Events Morningstar Cruise Gashapon Machine Over a Fantasy Morningstar Cruise Gashapon Machine Close double angle bracket Close double angle bracket Close double angle bracket Updated on June 7th after the event period at 4:59 on June 21st. The first draw only needs 120 black crystals or 40 titanium crystals. And the cost increases with the number of draws, and the upper limit is 15 times to get all the rewards.
She's
Participate in the lottery to get the vehicle
mic.
Mystery Deer, New Fashion Morningstar Cruiser, Maple Leaf Woman gift box. After using it, you will get the Avatar Maple Leaf Woman, Avatar Frame Maple and Yingluo, Chat Bubble Hui Sin Kiao C, Fortress Microreactor Fragments, Fortress Exoskeleton Fragments, Weapon Breakthrough Material Optional Box 2, Red Core, Data Repeater, Weapon Energy Pool IV, Will Data Packet IV, Spacetime Crystal Fragment, Orange, and other prop resources. Tata Tips 1. This event is a limited pool, and the maximum number of draws is 15 times. When the number of draws reaches the upper limit, you can get all the prizes in the prize pool. 2. You can choose to use smoky crystal or titanium crystal for each single extraction.
This is great.
The amount required for each single extraction of smoky crystal and titanium crystal is different, and the amount of currency consumed for extraction will increase with the number of extractions. Fair Operation Statement 3. When the Pioneer backpack is full, the rewards obtained by drawing will be sent by mail. The Maple Leaf Woman gift box needs ACCOUNTENTRY to be used in the backpack to unlock the corresponding props. Quasi-seat meal.
Isn't it pronounced quasi? Okay, so yeah, she seems to be working fine, and then I can just press share again. That closes that. That should make her background invisible again. And then I just press the... Why is it frozen? Oh, where'd it go? Just froze a little bit there, I'm not sure why. So if we want to do, I don't know, this one, for example. Press share again. There we go, she's done it.
Game announcement. L Mingjing Limited Order Sea Breeze Wheel Limited Time Reissue L Overview of Recent Events Fair Operation Statement Beware of Fraud Reminder Tower of Fantasy Dear Pioneers. Tata has discovered that recently there are criminals pretending to be Fantasy Tower close double angle bracket official release and dissemination of fraudulent
information. Oh no, my
information.
camera froze again.
Common violations include 1. Publishing script initial numbers, recharging, discount recharging information on unofficial platforms, etc. 2. Pretending to be the official website of Magic Tower, collecting player UID and other role information and redemption codes and other information. 3. Impersonating the Magic Tower staff, in the name of providing various services, exclusive customer service, welfare gift packages, game guides, recharge issues, game feedback, etc. Conducted fraudulent activities such as guiding users to add private accounts, game solicitation, etc. NTRY hereby reminds everyone, Magic Tower staff will not use private accounts to contact pioneers, nor will they ask for information such as account numbers and passwords of pioneers in private. When encountering unofficial phone calls, text messages, and private messages that actively provide services for you, please be vigilant and be careful not to be deceived. Tata.
Okay, I think I might have found a bug. So if you look, right, there's like boxes here where there's no text, and then when you hover over them, there's nothing written there. I think it's because the boxes that were drawn during the previous capture. So when I close this now, okay, the boxes are composed of lines under boxes. There you go, there's all the lines. Okay, what should happen, these should all get deleted when I close the translation. Yeah, and they're not. So that is what is going wrong. Ah, I definitely... Huh, what happened to that? I swear I... Okay, bear with me, bear with me. You know what? Can't be bothered, let me just write. Let me just get ChatGPT to help me with this. And here we go. The void should be good. Delete matching clause. Clones, yeah, I don't want parent transform. Well, actually, parent transform should be... We can make it a game object, actually. Okay, so if we do a private... I know what to do. Do private game object. Game objects, parent, transform. And then on enable, we'll say parent transform equals line prefab dot transform dot parent dot game object. Except it's supposed to be a transform, isn't it? Transform. It should be a game object. Okay. Game object is not. Oh, it's because no. Okay, I know why. That should be a transform. I should have declared it as a transform. There we go. Yeah. That should work. Alright, let me test that. Alex, hello. Welcome. How are you? Long time no see. How's it going? Yeah, man, I'm going to be testing this on Chinese Tower Fantasy as well, so this should be fun. Okay, so what I need it to do...
I'm ready.
Actually, my last test was really good, right? Because there was text down here, but then there was no text at the bottom on the second screen that I did. Although I am going to check it manually anyway. So I press my share button. Yep, output successful.
Gale announcement. L Morningstar Cruise Gashapon Machine Mingjing Limited Order Sea Breeze Unlock Limited Time Reenactment Overview of Recent Events Morningstar Cruise Gashapon Machine Over a Fantasy 10 Morningstar Cruise Gashapon Machine Close double angle bracket Close double angle bracket Close double angle bracket.
Yeah, you can see their boxes. The only one left is line prefab.
After the event period at 4:59 on June 21st. The first draw only needs 120 black crystals or 40 titanium crystals, and the cost increases with the number of draws, and the upper limit is 15
so now we know what it all says, man. I saw on your Twitch, it said you moved to YouTube, so I was just watching your VOD.
New fashion Morningstar Cruiser, Maple Leaf Woman gift box.
Yeah, man, I don't think it'll be too long before she comes to global, right? Do you know she's got a voice?
Chat bubble
She's been voiced already, so when you play the Chinese Tower Fantasy, it tries to load English voices, and normally characters that aren't out don't have voices yet. But Yulan's got Hu Tao's voice all recorded, so when we go in here, you'll hear all the English voices for Yulan. She sounds great.
Tata tips. 1. This event is a limited pool, and the maximum number of draws is 15 times. When the number of draws
now we can tell what it all says. This is so cool. So the reason I'm doing this,
2. You can choose
so the reason I'm making this now is I want to play Blue Protocol, which is only out in Japan and hasn't been localized. So I'm going to get my Cat GPT to be able to show me what all the UI means, translate it in real time, and as we're getting subtitles on the screen and characters are speaking to us, she can translate it for us and read it out and tell us what the characters are saying. I think it's going to be really, really cool. So I wanted to do that because it's like the next logical step for my AI systems is to do translations. But I didn't have a game that I thought would be a great game to test it with. But yeah, Blue Protocol's out in Japan and it's only in Japanese, so that's the perfect game to test it with. Okay, so let me just do this one. The one where it ends here. So we'll know. I already know that it worked because I could see that it got rid of the. Take a screenshot. Go on. I can already see that it got rid of the previous lines. Yeah, and now we don't have the boxes down here. So what it was doing is it was not wiping the old boxes off the screen, that's why. So that seems to be working much better. So I can hover my mouse over any of these, so I can see that says game announcement, that says Ming scene, limit order, that one's Sea Breeze. So if I want to know what a button does, yeah, I can just hover my mouse. This is so cool. I'm so proud of this. I'm so pleased with this. And I knocked this up in 2 days. It's like my second. That's insanely useful. I know, right? I know.
3.
Well, because I was thinking like,
Impersonating the Magic Tower
when she
star,
started reading
in the
out
name of
English
providing
subtitles
various
for games, I was
services,
like, wait a minute,
exclusive
this is just
customer
me being
service,
lazy. But
welfare
what
gift
if that was
packages,
foreign
game
subtitles? I was
bulbs,
like,
recharge issues,
ah, that would be
game
really
feedback,
useful.
etc.
And then I'm like, well, what
Conducting
about like
fraudulent
interfaces?
activities
Like,
such as
could
guiding
I maybe
users to
set it
add
up?
private accounts,
Because the
game
OCR, when Google
solicitations,
OCR
etc.
comes back, it tells you where it detected the text on the screen,
Here,
and I'm like,
Tata reminds everyone,
I could take those
Magic Tower staff will not
coordinates
use private
and maybe
accounts to contact
somehow, you know,
pioneers,
make it so I
nor will
can.
they ask for information
Anyway, this
such
was
as
the
account numbers and
idea I
passwords
came
of
up with.
pioneers in private.
Because it's hard to fit long English.
When
Like that one
encountering
there says
unofficial phone
impersonating, but
calls,
it's only 2
text
characters. So
messages,
originally I was going to
private
try and like
messages
type
that
over
actively
the
provide services for
screen.
you. Please be vigilant
And I'm like,
be
well, it'll be
careful
hard
not
to
be
fit
deceived.
all that English text over such a small amount of Chinese. So how can I do this? And I thought, well, I know. What if I just make it like a tooltip where you hover your mouse over the text and then it just tells you what the English translation is for it. And it works really good. I'm so pleased with this. This is going to be so cool. They should make like playing Blue Protocol really, really good. I can't wait. I can't wait to test this out. So I'm going to test it now on Tower Fantasy, make sure everything seems to be working. It looks good so far. Sometimes this, I don't want the boxes and the UI, so I just wanted to read the screen. So she's got a function there. So let me test that as well. If I build this out. So close that. There we go. Let's get something on the screen. Let's go into the game. And we'll bring something up for her to read. Ideally it would be subtitles, but I don't know how I can get subtitles because I've already cleared the story. There'll be a side mission, right? There'll be a side mission. Let's see if I can find a side mission that I haven't cleared. Oh, I need the Xbox. Okay, we'll take that. Xbox emulation. Hee. Yeah, she's got all of her English voices in the game. So if we go into Simulacra, I think it's this one. Voice, check it out.
Hello, I'm Yulan. A pleasure to meet you.
Wait, she not?
Hello, I'm Yulan. A pleasure to meet you.
Wait, why can't I hear it? Got it muted? That's very, very quiet.
Hello, I'm Yulan. A pleasure to meet you.
Hee.
Good morning. I just came back from my morning workout. Let's grab something to eat together.
It's Hutao!
It's already noon. What should I have for lunch?
Yeah, so maybe I'll get her to read this text on screen because there's not too much text. No, like I said, let's test it properly. Let's find a side mission or something. So back in Asperia, I think I've got some side missions in here somewhere. But I left a dream machine there. Where are all the side missions? I think you have to be loaded into the map. I'm not sure. Let's just go here then for now. Yeah, what server are you on, Alex, anyway? Because I should probably change servers, to be honest, at some point. Does any program already exist like this? Because surely there's a lot of people who would be interested. I know, I was thinking that. I'm not aware of one. Like, there are... So somebody on Kick was using a mod with Blue Protocol, where they'd attempted to translate some of the menus and some of the subtitles, but it was really, really buggy. It was really bad. It was repeating a lot of text. A lot of it was still in Japanese, and it just had all kinds of issues, and the guy was kind of struggling with it. And I thought, oh wow, well, you know, if my program works pretty good, I mean, I don't know yet. I'll have to see how practical it actually is, but I think this should... I think this should be pretty helpful, to be honest. Yeah, it's kind of tricky because it's like... See, the thing is, in order to do all this, you've got to have like a Google Cloud account, and it's there's a lot of like Google paid services. Now, I've still got a free trial of like 200 quid or something for the next 30 days. but I don't think it's too expensive after that. But yeah, even if I was to program something for like public release, you'd still have to have like all the Google, like a paid account, and yeah, it wouldn't be like, it relies on Google services basically to do all this stuff.
Good. My hair's not messy. Huh?
Which server I play on,
Something's
global
happening.
or China? I meant on global, really, yeah. Because I know they're doing server merges, aren't they?
Initiating alert protocols.
So I don't know whether to change it or not. Right, do I not have any side missions left on here? I thought I had loads the other day. Mind you, I was clearing some. I was sure I would have some left. Oh, you know what I should do? I should go into the... Yeah, there's a load here, right? Yeah, there's something's pointing me there. Where's that? That could be like Hyperos or something. Yeah, okay, once we go to Hyperos, that's fine. We can go to Hyperos. Magenta. Yeah, several clan recently had a merge. Yeah, so I'm on Olympias, I think it's called now. But yeah, man, it would be cool to I don't know, jump in your service or something. I do miss our you know, just jumping in and doing stuff. That was pretty fun. Right, okay, let's go through here. Yeah, the only thing I can think of, she literally is going to read everything on the screen, so if I've got like chat open and stuff like that, she's going to read everything out of chat. That could also be dodgy depending on what people are saying. Kind of hard for me to set limits for it. Yeah, me too. Yeah, and I was because I was getting some currency for Yulan, I think it was, when I was trying to get Yulan, and I went back to Artificial Island, and I just remembered when we were going around all the gates and like doing them. It was just so fun. It's funny now though, because I can just like one shot them all now. Because but back then it was tough, man, especially the big ones. All right, this is perfect test, right? So is she running? I think she's running. Yep. Alright, let's see if she works. Assistance? Start translating.
Welcome to Hotter Messler. Ask me about core energy. Garcia Laution Captain Copium Wonder Lab UID 14,602,175,316.
Yeah, she did it. She did it perfectly because, okay, so she read that. She did read this and she also read my UID, but she read his subtitle out. Now I can apply like filters and stuff, like UID and stuff like that's probably a good thing to filter out. So I might want to build like a system where maybe it reads like a notepad text file or something, so I can just quickly like type in new filters for it and stuff. But yeah, it seems to be working. So then basically if I press triangle now, she should do the next one. Okay, there's a problem. Triangle's not working. Right, let me test that. Why is that not working? Yeah, it should just be this. Screen. Big screen. Let's try it. Right, is Translate still open? Yeah, Translate is still open. I don't know why that's not working. Does the original screen reader still work? Or did that die as well? Look, input system. Huh. Not sure why that's not working. I don't know if she'll work with Chinese text on the original screen reader. She might actually read the Chinese, I'm not sure. Let's see what happens.
I'm ready.
Assistant? Start reading.
Welcome to Hotta Jia Shi Ya Jeaad
She's reading it in
Min Jia
Chinese.
Shi Ya Mai Sila Jia Jia Huo Tian Tian Shuo Yao Zao Chu Ling Xian Shi Ji De Tui Jin Chi Shai Shi Dao Shi Bu Shi Zai Chui Niu Ni Filled Square De Lab UID 14,602,175,316.
Okay, I need a new subtitle.
Hey, it's not over yet!
Okay, I broke. I broke my triangle interaction thing. So the way it should work is I should be able to press triangle. I don't know why it's broken. I should be able to press triangle and it should do the next one. Let's have a look. Triangle is registered. When I added the mouse though for the hovering, I did have to mess with some of these, but the share button still works, so that's what's weird about it. I wonder if auto switch.
Master Yu said that we should
change it.
always be mindful of how we present ourselves. Huh? Who's there?
Alright, let's try it again. It's funny that she'll just read out the Chinese, that's nuts.
I'm ready.
Oh wait, I know why she's not doing it. Because I'm using Xbox emulation. So yeah, it wouldn't understand the Xbox controller because it's set up to be. It's set up to be my DualSense directly. That's a good point. I don't know which blue protocol is going to use. Assistant? Start reading.
FFR 152 OBC Botech Corporation Mai Si La Xian Sheng Rang Wo Wen Chia Ni Yu Mei Yu Xing Chu Yu Ta Yi Chi Jin Xin Zui Sin Tui Jin Chi De Yan Fa Ideographic.
Oh no, it's doing it now.
Captain
Auto
Copium,
switch.
F7 FROBC via
Okay, that's working. Okay, let me try to translate now.
CORPO.
Excellent. Okay, that's really good. Yeah, so I just needed to make sure auto switch was enabled. So it must have like picked up the Xbox controller. Nice. Okay.
I'm ready.
Assistant, start translating.
Seven 152 FR ob XROME BHAR ## caret J. Hashtag T degree #T degree. Hashtag FR. BBRXXX #reb asterisk. VRBUDJRJ 1697. AUID 14,602,175,316.
Yeah, she didn't quite get that right, so that's a bit weird. So, hang on. What did she actually get back from Google? 1933, so she did get some English back this minute. Yeah, but it came back with that? I don't understand why. Okay, let me try it again. Maybe it was just a bug. Google sent that back, which doesn't mean anything, so I don't know why that came back. Ah, you piece of shit. Run out of subtitles now. Alright, give me more subtitles. Give me more subtitles. There we go.
4PCOVARWOITATEOTIMOVREW
Yeah, it's working.
33909932839.
It's reading that numbers out from the screen.
39. Do you want to help you either? Everyone seems to think you and hash 39. Real liar. Captain Copium, AUID, 14,602,175,316.
Yeah, like I said, I need to be able to read filters and stuff. Like, so for this one, I would have to filter out the UID for one thing. Yeah, she's working
People
though.
in Mesler Higard are becoming more and more conservative. Do you believe me? DIWAREHOITA.
Yeah, so people in Mesler Higard are becoming more and more conservative. Do you believe me?
3 Palm
That's the
Mesler
point you were saying.
X11, believe it or not, a UID 14,602,175,316.
Assistant, stop translating. Okay, now if I press this.
People in Mesler Higard are becoming more and more conservative. Do you believe me?
Yeah, so now I can do this one,
OSEHOITATE of BO
which shows me, hey God, people getting more conservative. Do you believe me? I can see what these are. Believe or no letter.
Believe 1 Don and hash 39. T believe.
So I would assume that basically translates. I either say yes, I do believe him, or I don't believe him. I think no letter. It's probably more like I don't believe you. So I believe you or I don't believe you. So that's cool. So I can see what the responses are. Even I think that's pretty cool. If you do decide to come to Magenta, we have a good crew. People are always hopping and stuff. Yeah, I gotta be honest though, I'm a very casual player. I don't really take the game too seriously. So mainly I only log on, I kind of do my dailies, you know, get my free currency, or if I've paid for a daily pass. Yeah, I'm very casual with it. I don't do that much multiplayer stuff, to be honest, because yeah, I don't know, I'm having a lot of fun. I'm running at a very, very low dimension level at the moment, because I've got loads of boss chips, so I like being able to solo the bosses. So yeah, I'm playing very, very casually. But yeah, it's still, I think it's still kind of fun just to like group up for casual stuff, like environmental stuff. But yeah, I don't do raids or anything like that. So yeah, this seems to be working fine. I think I'm ready to build it out and like test it in the wild, if you like. Alright, let's do it. Let's build it. I think we're looking good. Okay, so this will be build 31. Version 31 with translation. Hee. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, it's been a pain in the ass to get it to work. And what I need to do is change my desktop icon for it. Got 2 of them. To point to folder 31 so that I get the latest version. There we go. So it goes for that one.
I'm ready.
31. Right, looking good. Right, she's running, but she might not be running from the right place because it's a new build folder. So Alt F4 out of it. Close takes a while for some reason. Minimize that now. Just close. There we go. Right. Catch GPT. Alright, let's go. This time I think I want to run it on the main screen. Run it on the main screen because that's causing some weird issues like that though. I mean, once she brings up the UI though, it should be fine. Yeah, actually maybe I should have her on that screen because that just looks weird. Yeah, that probably is better. Our overlay's working and everything. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's see how we go then. So I either say I either believe him or I don't believe him. Let's say I believe him. Alright, let's see what he's saying. It's on autoplay. No, just stop it autoplay. No! That one? God damn it. Piece of shit. Alright, assistant. Start translating.
As well. Stop talking. I don and hash 39. T believe you now. YFTPHOULS Noteo INOILENO 3370999 32 AM Maxla B Captain Copium Skip AUID 14,602,175,360.
Alright, where are these other ones? So we've got gotta be above me, right? That's weird because they're not. Okay, they show up when I click them, but not when they're not clicked. Okay. Why is it
PHOTECH Diggory Executor. Hello.
Why is it
Mon
auto-playing?
Collaborative Combat Researcher Diggory 2 UID 14,602,175,316.
Anyway, whatever. As long as it doesn't autoplay the game I'm actually playing. Yeah, let's see if I can figure this out. Because it's gonna disappear. You only get to see this once, I think. Do the next one.
Biotech. Collaborative Combat Researcher Diggory 1. Then try it. Diggory can get rich rewards whether he becomes a mentor or an apprentice. Are you interested in giving it a try? B-Skip AUID 14,602,175,316.
It's still auto-playing. I don't fuck off.
Biotech.
Even if I press
Collaborative
pause,
Combat
it still
Researcher Diggory
auto-plays. Unless it's
1.
that one
Then
auto.
try
That's
it.
skip, isn't it?
Diggory can get rich rewards whether he
It's like
becomes
it
a
just wants to
mentor or an
autoplay whether I've
apprentice.
got it set or not. I don't know what
Are
the
you
hell's
interested
going
in giving it a try? B-Skip AUID 14,602,175,316.
Oh, I know why. Because why?
Biotech Cooperative
because
Combat
why is
Researcher
autoplay,
Diggory. You
and
can
why is
post
also the
apprentice
button? Okay, I
recruitment
got a
through the
better idea.
collaborative platform, and each mentor can recruit 3
Alright,
apprentices.
shut up. Yeah, okay, this is why in my brain I was like, I should probably always make it share to skip the. Yeah, I should make it share. Because share doesn't get used for anything else. So also on the read screen I should make it share as well, and I just get used to pressing share. Yeah, the only problem with that though is share. This is kind of awkward now. Because I use share to do the UI visual screen thing. Okay, right, let me think about this. So when translate is running, okay, I know what to do. When translate is running, I need access to a public stream manager. Stream man. Because I did a toggle on there, and void on enable. I need to say screen man. translate UI. Wait, why is that? That says screen man. Stream man dot TUI open equals true. And then set that to false. I need it on disabled, don't I? Yeah, okay, I need it on disabled. So and reset that. Stop adding shit that I'm not typing, you piece of shit. Got that should reset that on translate. I need a similar thing on screen reader. Where's the screen reader? Screen read. So did you change service to Magenta from a different one? Because I feel like you weren't on Magenta before. You were on a different one, weren't you? Right, so what was my trick? So first of all, I need a public stream manager. I need to make sure I link these as well. That's OCR test. Got. And then read screen. I want to avoid on disable. Alright, save all of those. So both on OCR test, which is screen read, and translate, I need to link stream manager. So there and there. Save and okay, I think it should be fine just to rebuild that, I think. God, it's so hot here right now. It's my birthday tomorrow. It's so weird how it's so hot on my birthday. Imagine, it used to be really hot on my birthday when I was a kid, but last few years it hasn't been so hot.
I'm ready.
Right. Yeah, okay, so I don't know which one is autoplay. Like, does it want to be showing me pause? See, this is the thing that always confuses me about buttons like this, right? When I see the pause symbol, is that telling me that it's paused? Or is that telling me that the button will pause it? Do you know what I mean? Like, it depends which way around you think about it. Is the button telling me what it does? Or is the button reflecting what it's currently set to? Because the two are obviously opposites of each other. So it depends on how it's set up. It's hard. It's impossible to know, really. Immediately. Anyway, whatever. Yeah, there's nothing really that gives you any indication. Assistant? Start translating.
Biotech degree. When apprentices graduate, you can bring apprentices to me to apply for graduation. Collaborative Combat Researcher Degree 1. Please say it again. 1. Understood. AYUID 14,602,175,316.
It wants to set play.
Biotech Cooperative Combat Researcher
no,
Degree.
I swear it doesn't matter
According
what
to
it's
the
set
system
to, it
feedback,
seems to just
your
autoplay.
strength is outstanding, and you can serve as a mentor to guide other performers. B. Skip YUID 14,602,175,316.
Yeah, that works much better now.
Biotech degree cooperation tokens can be exchanged for rewards through the mentor shop. Collaborative Operations Researcher Diggory B. Skip UID 14,602,175,316.
This is so cool to be able to see what they're saying.
Biotech Diggory Cooperation Tokens can be exchanged for rewards through the Mentor Shop.
Oh, we said that last time.
Collaborative Operations Researcher Diggory B. Skip UID 14,602,175,316. Biotech Cooperative Operations Researcher Diggory B. Diggory. In addition, mentors and apprentices can also increase the level of cooperation relationship. When the apprentice graduates, different levels of rewards will be issued to you according to the level of cooperation relationship. Skip UID 14,602,175,316.
Okay, so he's just talking about rewards and stuff. But that's cool, now I can tell what they're saying and stuff. That is really cool.
Biotech Cooperative Combat Researcher Diggory B. Skips Diggory. In addition, the level of cooperative relationship between the mentor and the apprentice can also be improved.
This is way too much stuff to translate, to be
When the
honest.
apprentice graduates, different levels of rewards will be issued to you according to the level of the cooperative relationship.
Why does she keep saying that?
UID 14,602,175,316.
I don't know where she's getting that from.
Biotech Cooperative Combat Researcher Diggory B. Skips Diggory. In addition, the level of cooperative relationship between the mentor and the apprentice can also be improved. When the apprentice graduates, different levels of rewards will be issued to you according to the level of the cooperative relationship. UID 14,602,175,316.
Okay, now how much text is there here? Okay, I don't know if I'm going out of my mind, but I feel like she's adding more dialogue each time we translate, and she's saying the previous stuff. She shouldn't be, but that's what I feel like she's doing. Man, I don't want to translate this one. This one's boring as fuck. I can't believe how long he's going on for. I'm just going to skip it all, to be honest. Okay, now. I wonder if he's like a help NPC for like finding out more about, so I probably want this one. Or maybe I am saying the same stuff to him over and over again. Oh wow, I got a gold pull for that. Yeah, that might be the case. Still kind of weird though. Yeah, it's like tutorial mode. Holy shit. Okay, I don't think I want to do that, do I? Rent this. I have no idea. Ooh, nice. Nice. I got really lucky on this account as well recently. Super lucky. I ended up with Fiona and Outside of Pity, and I got 2 Samirs Outside of Pity as well. All within the space of about 15 pulls. I got 3 SSRs all out of Pity within the space of about 15 pulls. It was fucking crazy, all in the same day. That was a few days ago. It was fucking insane. Yeah, and then I was trying to get Nono just to see if my insane luck could continue. But I think it's over now. I think it's over. It's very loud, eh? It's very loud. And it's not even that loud on the mixer, eh? Why is it so loud, eh? I don't know. But it is. Okay, and another one. Let's go! Let's go, eh? Alright. Should we pick up these other ones? So I can find out what these say. Yeah, because I mean, I need to test it anyway before I get into Blue Protocol. What is it even pointing to? Is someone down underneath me? It's not actually saying anything, is it? So I click that. Normally that would like guide me. Is it this dude? So if I want to see what he's saying, I can just do that. Press my translate button.
Nita Hotta Garcia Kim KAB Garcia looks at my handsome face. Do you think everything I say is right? A lab UUID 14,602,175,316.
It's so cool. I have an AI assistant that just translates it all for me in real time. That is awesome. That's so good.
Although Harper was always lost, I finally arrived at my destination. Harper Void Angel, welcome to a UID 14,602,175,316.
What's this one? I don't know what it's pointing to, because like... It's not... I am very confused right now. Like, it's saying there's blue markers there when I click them. Yeah, telegraphing in this game's always been a little hit and miss. So it seems to be working great. I'm really pleased about that. But the main thing I'm confused about now is why are the blue markers, right? And then it doesn't show me. It doesn't show me exactly who it is. Unless it's, is it this box? No, but the box is interactable. Weird. Man, this is so weird, like having instant translation available. It is fucking cool. What about him? Is it him?
Of El Creo Trouble, Endless Trouble, Creo and Quat, Call A08888, 8888 Space Tech Corporation, AADA
It's even reading this here.
14,602,175,316.
Who? I don't understand.
Trouble,
Who are the
Trouble,
side missions
Trouble,
though?
Creo and Quat, Call A08888.
Right, because like I've spoken to everybody here.
AADA
Not you.
14,602,175,316.
And it doesn't seem to be any of them. Like none of speaking to nobody here actually clears that side mission, which is just confusing. I spoke to him already. He was telling me about the rewards and stuff that I can get. It's good to know though that my confusion with this game is just that this game is confusing, right? It's not my lack of understanding of what the hell's going on. It's just a really badly telegraphed game. Like I cannot make sense of this, right? Is that what that is? I have no idea. Even is that? Okay. Can I go through that? Oh, this is so cool though. Yeah, I mean, it seems to work fine. I think we are good then. I think we're good to like just jump in and try out Blue Protocol and just like maybe fix bugs as I'm going along.
Searching for remnant signals.
Oh shit, he's voiced in English.
Searching for remnant signals.
Yeah, I suppose some of them are, aren't they, right? Because I've got English voice settings on. Okay, so if I want to see what he's saying.
Golsa ACIL will be Golsa this year. I am studying the course of Mechanical Structure Design. Can you find me? 1 AUID 14,602,175,316.
That's Fiona.
Golsa ACIL will be Golsa this year. I am studying the course of Mechanical Structure Design. Can you find me? 1 AUID 14,602,175,316.
Yeah, okay, that's kind of weird. I think what's happening there, because she read it twice, but I think it comes back twice, that's why. Because I think I know why. Yeah, no, I think I know why. Okay, so for translate, yeah, the reason why, for translate, what it does... For translate, I need to stop it here at the first...
Master Yu said that we should always be mindful of how we present ourselves.
End of text, I think.
Who's there?
Because what it does is it shows the translated text, and then it shows the translated text again and gives coordinates for it all. But I thought translate only did that first part anyway. Because to be fair, the English does the same thing. Let me check that actually.
Master Yu said that we should always be mindful of how we present ourselves. Huh? Who's there?
Yeah, we can take that and strip that out of it. Yeah, it should stop it there. So when it gets the first end of text, it should stop it there and only read this bit out. But she was reading it twice. I don't understand how she was doing that. That is odd. Why is she doing that? Okay, let me rebuild her and see how she goes.
Master Yu said that we should always be mindful of how we present ourselves. Huh? Who's there?
I'm ready.
Who do we not? Is there anyone we haven't spoken to? Have we spoken to these guys already? What does she say? Assistant? Start translating.
Engineering killers. Those elm-headed guys are full of formulas and data, alas. Wola AAA UID 14602175316. Engineering killers. Those elm-headed guys are full of formulas and data, alas. 3 killers, 1899, 1076, 226, 1070. Engineering killers. Those elm-headed guys are killers. AAUID 14,602,175,316.
Yeah, I made a mistake when I did that because I pressed the button for the screen translation and asked her to translate through voice, which caused 3 occurrences when I only wanted 1. Because I have to close the screen translation using the same button that sends a new translation request, because I have to end the voice translation with a voice command. It's just the way I've got it set up, basically. So yeah, that was a user error. That was me doing a user error.
Searching for remnant signals.
Alright, yeah, I mean it seems to be working fine. What about this robot? Can we do him? Yeah.
MOITU3 Purifier. It is my duty to defend Higid. MOITU3 Purifier. It is my duty to defend Higid. UID 14,602,175,316.
Yeah, we've got an issue that. Why is that? I don't understand why. Let me just close her and restart her. I did make a mistake, so. But like when the screen reader closed.
I'm ready.
I don't know. I'm confused. I feel like the same button which does a new translation through voice should have sent the signal to the screen reader that it shouldn't be activated, but I don't know, because they both probably activated at the same time, so they probably cancelled each other out. I don't know, I'm confused about how that worked. Assistant? Start translating.
It is my duty for Franks to defend Highguard. Highguard guards Franks NAUID 14,602,175,316.
Yeah, so she did only read it once. But the problem is, this time the UID had a space in it after the colon, whereas it doesn't on the screen, and it probably didn't last time. So it seems like that can be inconsistent, so I'm going to need to put a filter with a space and without a space. I could tell it just to remove... I know I can't really do that. Just remove those spaces. Alright, let me do that. And then I think we should be good. So where I do that, I should also do one with a space. Because that time it put a space in it as well. But yeah, it all seems to be working fine, as far as I can tell. Alright, I'm going to leave it there then. I'm going to rebuild this out. And then I need to, like, get a Japanese VPN.
Good shape today.
Shut up. I need to get a Japanese VPN to download and set up an account for Blue Protocol. It'll probably be tomorrow before I can actually play it. And it's my birthday tomorrow, so why not? Let's jump into Blue Protocol on my birthday with my new translation. That sounds like a fun thing to do on my birthday, actually. Yeah, that does sound like a fun thing to do on my birthday. So I guess tonight I'm probably going to be trying to get downloading, set up, and, you know, everything else. So yeah, this test, as far as I can tell, I'm you know, I feel like this was pretty successful. It seems to be working fine. It's going to be one of those things where I don't think it's going to be perfect, you know, right out of the door. I think it's going to need a little bit of tinkering with once I figure out exactly how that game's interface works. Like if I was doing this game right now, for example, yeah, like putting filters in so that it doesn't read the UID out all the time and stuff like that, and then I'd probably be adding some other filters later on, would give much better results. So it's going to be like that with Blue Protocol probably. You know, if there might be some things I need to filter out of it, and there might be some, I don't know, little quirks with it. But it definitely seems like, for the most part, it should be viable to, you know, to play the game and understand what I'm doing in there. Thanks to this new feature I've given ChatGPT. Ho ho ho. I need tons of these actually. Alright, so like I say, I'll leave it there, and yeah, we can jump into Blue Protocol probably tomorrow, I think. Should be good. Looking forward to it. Alright, see you next time. Bye.